Hello students, we'll see some more problems on Laplace transform. Here, if you see, it is a product of three trigonometric functions, that is cos t, cos 2t and cos 3t. How to take its Laplace transform? As we already know, when it is a product of two functions, we were using the transformation formulae in which we had only two functions here, sin a into cos b or cos a into sin b, cos a into cos b or sin a into sin b. But now here we are having product of three trigonometric functions. Then how to evaluate? In such case, we have to take a combination first. Either first and second function we have to solve it. Then we have to consider with the third, or you can consider second and third. Later we can take the first function, or first and third function can be taken and then multiplied with the second function. So likewise we have to take the combination. I will consider now first two functions here, that is cos t and cos 2t. Since both are cos, I will be using the formula cos a into cos b. That is 1 by 2 cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. In place of a you take t and in place of b you take it as 2t. I am solving product of these two first. So 1 by 2 cos of t plus 2t plus cos of t minus 2t. T minus 2t is minus t, and already I have explained in my previous video, cos of minus theta is cos theta. That is, cos of minus t will become cos t. So cos t into cos 2t simplification is 1 by 2 cos 3t plus cos t. This is not my final simplification because still I have to take cos 3t. So multiply both sides with cos 3t in this equation. So we'll get here cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t is equals to 1 by 2 cos 3t plus cos t, you keep it as it is, and into cos 3t. This cos 3t will get distributed to this term and it will get distributed to this term. So you can write this as cos 3t into cos 3t plus cos t into cos 3t. Now again, if you observe, it is a product of two trigonometric functions over here. Here also it is a product of two trigonometric functions. So still we need to simplify using the transformation formulae. So when I am applying for the transformation formula here, I will be applying cos A into cos B. What is cos A into cos B? It is 1 by 2 cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Similarly, for this function, I will be applying the same. So I will get here 1 by 2, I am going to keep it as it is. So when I keep 1 by 2 as it is, this is outside 1 by 2. Now I am applying the formula for cos 3t plus cos t. For cos 3t into cos 3t. So it will become 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos of a minus b. This is the simplification of this part. Plus 1 by 2 into cos a, okay, cos a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Simplifying for this both the terms are having 1 by 2, so wholly you take common 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 4. This becomes cos 60. 3t minus 3t it is 0, so cos 0 plus t plus 3t it is 4t, so hence cos 4t. T minus 3t is minus 2t, so cos of minus 2t. Cos 60 as it is, cos 0 is 1, cos 4t as it is, and cos of minus 2t will become cos 2t. Since cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. Hence, once we simplified, I have separated all the terms. So now you take L operator on both sides. So L of cos 60 plus L of 1 plus L of cos 4t plus L of cos 2t. Taking the Laplace transform and writing over here, that will be the solution for cos t into cos 2t into cos 3t. In similar manner, again, if you are having a product of three sine functions now. So in such case, again you can resolve first two functions, or I have what explained, that is first two or second and third or third and first, either of that. So I will be considering now sin A into sin B formula, which is minus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So I am considering sin 3t, sin 2t. So where all A is there takes 3t, where all B is there as 2t. So this becomes cos of 3t plus 2t minus cos of 3t minus 2t. That is cos phi t minus cos t. Now substituting here if you see, it is a product of two functions only. So we are having one more function, that is sin t. So multiply both sides with sin t. Minus 1 by 2 cos phi t minus cos t as it is, and product of sin t. This sin t will get multiplied to this, and this sin t will get multiplied to this. So minus 1 by 2 aside, will get cos phi t into sin t minus cos t into sin t. Minus 1 by 2 as it is a product of two trigonometric functions of the form cos A into sin B. So I am applying for the transformation formula here, 1 by 2 sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. This minus I will keep it as it is. Again it is a product of two trigonometric functions. So you are going to apply for again the transformation formula. 1 by 2 sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 1 by 2 is for both the brackets, so take it outside commonly. So it will become minus 1 by 4. Sin of phi t plus t, it will become sin 6t minus as it is. Phi t minus t, it is 4t, so sin of 4t. This minus is for both the terms, so this minus and this plus will make it minus. T plus t, it is 2t, so sin of 2t. Minus into minus, it is plus. T minus t is 0, so you are remained with sin 0. And we know that sin 0 is 0. Hence, now we have got a separated form of the function. Take L on both sides. So minus 1 by 4 aside, for each term I am taking L operator. So taking the Laplace transform of sin 6t, sin 4t and sin 2t, we will get the solution as minus 1 by 4, 6 upon s square plus 6 square, minus 4 upon s square plus 4 square, minus 2 upon s square plus 2 square. So when I take the simplified form, it is 6 upon s square plus 36 minus 4 upon s square plus 16 minus 2 upon s square plus 4. Here I can take 2 common, and this minus sign is get multiplied inside. So this will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become plus. So when I simplify, I am getting the Laplace of this function. Okay. So next, we want the Laplace transform of 4 sin square t into cos t. Though it is a product of two trigonometric functions, here we are having sin square t. So we cannot apply transformation formula directly. Before that, we have to simplify what is this sin square t. So as per your back knowledge, we know that sin square theta is what? 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Hence, sin square t will become 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. I am having here 4 times sin square t into cos t. Multiply both sides with 4 cos t. You will get here 4 into 1 minus cos 2t upon 2 into cos t. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so here 2 will remain. 1 minus cos 2t into cos t. This cos t will get multiplied to 1 and cos t will get multiplied to cos 2t. So hence it becomes 2 into cos t minus cos 2t into cos t. Here it is a product of two trigonometric functions, so we need to apply transformation formulae. So 1 by 2 cos of a plus b, that is 3t, plus cos of a minus b, that is 2t minus t. It will become t. I have separated the terms. This L operator will get distributed to this. It will get distributed to this. So 2 is outside. Laplace transform of cos t minus 1 by 2 into Laplace transform of cos 3t plus Laplace transform of cos t. 2 as it is. Laplace transform of cos t is s upon s square plus 1 square. Minus 1 by 2 as it is. Laplace transform of cos 3t is s upon s square plus 3 square. Laplace transform of cos t is s upon s square plus 1 square. So multiplying this 1 by 2 inside, that will be the Laplace of 4 sin square t into cos t. Thank you.